1. Cut a lemon in half crosswise with a kitchen knife, then choose one half that still contains enough juice and soft flesh for effective cleaning. 2. Press the cut side of the lemon firmly onto the calcified faucet area, making sure the lemon covers all visible limescale deposits completely. 3. Keep the lemon attached by covering it with a plastic bag and securing the bag tightly around the faucet with one or more rubber bands. 4. Leave the lemon in place for 2 to 3 hours or overnight so the natural acid in the juice can soften and dissolve the mineral buildup. 5. Remove the lemon and plastic bag, then scrub the faucet surface with a sponge, cloth, or small brush to wipe away the loosened limescale. 6. Use an old toothbrush or the tip of a safety pin to clean spray holes that are still blocked by small pieces of remaining deposits. 7. Rinse the faucet thoroughly with clean hot water, then wipe it dry with a soft cloth to leave it shiny and clean again.